Hi guys, I'll show today how concrete slab cracks running through to the plumbing pipes. You can see start from here, start from there, between, and running this way, running this way, running this way, because here in this project designed to be, there is no saw cut joint. They should do saw cut. You can see a lot of cracks. Yeah, cracks start from that point this way, from that point this way to the pipe. It's everywhere. It's supposed to be cut like 0.25 from the slab thickness. So look, that's cracks everywhere. Yeah, they should did saw cut at the end of the day when they pour the concrete, or they should do next day in the morning, less than 24 hours. Look here, cracks between pipe to pipe. That's how the cracks will start. Yeah, thank you guys.